If you are watching this video, it is because you want to know more about the Dentitox Pro. So, pay close attention to what I'm telling you about my experience and review this Dentitox Pro. My name is Sandra, and for a long time I suffered with tooth decay, tooth sensitivity, tooth pain, and had a visible hole in my tooth. I was afraid to even eat my favorite dish, which is baked meat. So I gave research on how to solve my problem, and it was in many doctors and dentists and various experts on the subject. I even asked researchers at my university in Massachusetts. I was really stressed and frustration because of my painful dental problems. I have two very important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Dentitox Pro is: be careful with the website you will buy the product, because the Dentitox Pro is only sold on the official website. And to help you, I left the link of the official website here below in the description of this video for you to access safely. Now I'll explain what Dentitox Pro is and how it worked for me. Dentitox Pro seems to offer a solution, which is why the newly launched oral health support formula has been getting a lot of hype over the past few weeks. The Dentitox Pro formula is created by using entirely natural ingredients, which ensures that it will not cause any side effects. To know more about Dentitox Pro and how the supplement aids in enhancing your oral health, keep watching till the end. Dentitox Pro is one of the trending oral health support formulas of 2022 that has been garnering a great deal of hype and popularity on the internet over the past few weeks. According to the manufacturer of Dentitox Pro, the formula is a proprietary blend of probiotics, minerals, plant-based ingredients, and nutrients that focuses on repopulating healthy bacteria in your mouth and rebuilding your mouth's microbiome. This Dentitox Pro review compiles all the information about Dentitox Pro, including its ingredients, workings, scientific evidence, benefits, concerns, side effects, and more that you should be aware of in order to make an informed decision on the supplement. What is Dentitox Pro? And does it work? Dentitox Pro has minerals including magnesium and calcium that promote general oral health by addressing tooth decay, gum disease, mouth ulcers. It also helps remove toxins from the body's organs, which are harmful to the heart or kidneys if they stay in there too long untreated. It is designed to be taken every day with meals to maintain strong teeth while strengthening gums at all times through boosting immune function. The high-level CBD reduces inflammation throughout the esophagus, so there is always relief during any mealtime discomfort without missing out on vital nutrients found only within foods. A common question that everyone had since Dentitox Pro was launched into the market was, does it work? The customer reviews and before and after stories of Dentitox Pro suggest that Dentitox Pro really works and it really promotes oral hygiene. Well, the only way a supplement could stay as popular as it has been when it was launched is if it really did work, so it is apparent that Dentitox Pro really works. So yes, you can trust this product. Even, there are many people having great results with Dentitox Pro, and you can have results too. Something very important is that Dentitox Pro has a warranty, and you can actually test the product, and if for some reason you don't like it, they return your money. Also, for Dentitox Pro to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you won't see great results and you'll really get a little frustrated. And the correct way to use Dentitox Pro. You will take every day and without interruptions, as this will be essential to your results. It is also important to know that Dentitox Pro is totally natural. It improved overall my oral health, my gums health, and helped in rebuilding them. It improved the quality of my teeth, strengthens them, and it reduced inflammation of my gums. Order now to have got you dental healthy again like me. Well guys, and don't forget to check out their original website using the link in the description. Thanks and have a great day.